pavement is typically in the top 5 assets to be managed on a site. Roofs, mechanicals, windows, pavement. If many people on the call today had to go and replace all their pavements today, it would be millions of dollars to replace those pavements. Not just the management of it, or not just the crack sealing, or not just the long-term or short-term maintenance of it, but we want to help you save money by figuring out some strategies that will help you efficiently and effectively utilize the contractors on your site. We like to think of ourselves kind of your pavement doctor. There's lots of analogies that we can utilize to help you understand some of the things that we do for pavement, but going to the doctor is one of them. But you do these things because you want to have a baseline. You want to have understanding where you go and who can help you diagnose the problems. So being that pavement doctor for you and helping you understand what that data looks like to provide the plan, the strategic plan, and the budget to help you administrate your contract work and perform better on-site pavement management for your sites is really what we want to talk about. How many of you out there think that all of those facility managers manage their pavement the exact same way? Probably not everyone. I'm sure there's a few, but probably not everyone. They all have different relationships. They all have different strategies. They all have different budgets. And that's how and why they hired Terracon to be their partner and to be their pavement consulting engineer to put together the strategies of knowing when to crack seal or when to do the specific surface treatments or when to do specific replacements, mill and overlays, so that they don't have costly repairs that they can't control. So they decided when they hired Terracon, we want to maintain our pavement at a PCI score, which stands for Pavement Condition Index score, but they said they want to start at a 70. And that's what we've done over the last 25 years for them. How do we use this to measure distresses? We take video assessments, we run it through our AI model, and it calculates the quantity of distresses. Today's methodologies are much better than they were even 5 years ago. So here's an example. We use either car-mounted high-definition video cameras, or we are now into the drone capacities. We're looking at other technologies as well. We take that imaging, we place it into our AI technology by creating orthomosaic imaging. By that means stitching all those pictures together, all those images together, and allowing the AI model to create for you a big picture that you can see down to a 2mm resolution, and then help you understand where your degradation is happening on your pavement. So no matter where you sit in that project life cycle, whether you're designing it, there are pavement assessment services, pavement construction services, pavement testing services that we can support by starting with an inventory and helping you understand what that looks like from a data standpoint, all the way through providing you the correct maintenance repair strategies, detailed site evaluation by being able to in-house do all of the corings, the borings, the lab analysis of the soils below grade, to then help translate that information into the correct design documents.